Right, out today. It's raining, as you can see, but then again that's my natural habitat, the rain. I'm out with the Deus too. I'm on a little beach. There's a little bit of sand, a little bit of shingle. I'll literally just do that, and then later on meeting up with my wife, and then we're going to go down to the Warren. So she's going to pop down, meet up with me, and then we're going to go on to the Warren. Enjoy, have fun, and hopefully it'll be a decent enough video where I might find something. If not, not a problem. Last time I was here I just found nothing but foreign coins with 2 1p, so whether I find more foreign coins or not I don't know, but let's see how it goes. Enjoy. See you at the first hole. 69. I've got no spade with me today, or scoop. I was thinking my wife, so see how it goes. Well, it's a buckle, but of no age. I wasn't expecting to see that. Anyway, it's a buckle. As I say, no age to that one. I just want to show you the noise that's everywhere. I presume you can hear that. One. Is it that? Yeah, ring pull. See that little bit of bling colour? You think, yay, but no, just a ring. Oh, I was recording. Good. Oh, it's not any. It's another bloody foreign coin. That's a Bahrain coin this time. 70. 70. Oh, it's a copper plate. Yeah, it's a bit of copper plate. Hello. 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 It's not a frisbee. It's not a frisbee.
Yeah, that's a good point. You put that into
frisbee. Yeah. 1991. It's going to be a penny. Or nothing. Just a bit of aluminium. Bit of aluminium. What is that? I don't think that was it. Whatever that is as well. Sorry, didn't record it. I thought it was going to be crap. There's another Bahrain coin. So that's 2 Bahrain coins. Right, it was a 53 Hong Kong. Okay, someone's really taking a piss out of us now. A Hong Kong coin now. 1995. Right, there's another one, or another 53 as well, so probably the same coin. Yeah, another one. What have we got in this time? Is Sultan Hussein. Kurzian or something like that, I think it says. I don't know, I can't. It's another foreign coin anyway. Don't know. It's another 53 anyway. I can keep me running for a bit, see if there's any more. And of course there never is there? Oh. Right. That's another one of them I don't know what it says. Curry, oh, Brunei. That's 2 Brunei. It's a 97, 98. Let me get them that way. Wine bottle lid. 61. Copper. Yeah, it's a bit of copper. 67 apparently on the surface. If you're wondering what that was there, so I just moved it out of the way. Bit of aluminium, old can. '92. I think it's a wild F away down, to be fair. Gets a good tool out. Okay, still there apparently. Shiny. know apparently about it. What is that? Cover of some sort. There we go. And as you can see, quite a way down. 6, nearly the height of that. And there's 6 inches there. It's up to here, so about nearly a foot down, I suppose. 10 inches to a foot. What are they? 8 inches, I do believe. So 8 inches is to there. It's above that, so yeah, you're looking at 9 inches. I've got a clue, as you can see, covered in iron everywhere. I don't know what this is, probably a bit of lead, I think. Just a bit of lead, I think it is. I thought it had some lettering on it, but I couldn't quite see. So I'll put that in the to look at pile. Little fossils. Loads of them. Look. Another fossil. It's so small. So that one looks like a clamshell. I don't know what that is. Oh, what's that? I don't know, it's got a pattern on it. Got some possible lettering, so is that a button? Or is that an old seal? Looks like it's got lettering around it. Might be a seal, or it might have been a button back in the day. And another button. A little 4-hole. Might keep you on for a bit, to be fair. Seems to be an area where the metal's gathering. So that window latch. Part for a window latch. Trowel. Let's have a look a bit further around. Oh dear, there's a bit of metal gone. Oh, where did that go? Oh, what's that? A cork stopper? What is that? Oh, it's got a thread on it. I haven't got a clue.